Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 154th edition release, and today is release day. You may use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase today, or use any of the other designers. And make sure you visit out all of the ladies. The links will be down below. Also, make sure you head over to Instagram, because today will be the release hop and giveaway. So make sure you head over there as well, comment on their posts there and the ones here on YouTube. So yesterday I explained everything for the release. So today I'm just showing you and gonna show you what I made and hopefully do a recap. All right, so we have the Spooky Bears ephemera. We have the Spooky Pumpkins ephemera. Too Cute to Spook stamp and dies. So we have the stamps here. Dies. We have the web tag dies. Those are really cute. We have the scallop treat box. Midnight Magic 2025 paper. Wicked Whimsy 2025. These are the additional products that I'm using for my items today. So we have the Pretty Scallop heart dies. Treat bag add-ons, and I'm just using these two smallest tags in there. Starry Background 2024. That's an embossing folder. The 5x5 card die layers. And then this one, the Stitched Favor box. This is in retirement, so if you're gonna pick this up, you might want to go ahead and get it. Once it's gone forever. And then here goes the items that I made for you today. Very cute, adorable little card. I love it. Too cute. I thought I would put that little spooky little bear on top of the heart and kind of imitate the moon back there. It says, no tricks, just treats, treat or treat. And so really cute. I did add some stickles on top of there to make it sparkle. I don't know for sure how well you can see the embossing folder, but I did use it. And that 5x5 card base layer die set as well. And there goes the inside. I thought I would throw a few little candies in there. Really cute. And then this adorable little treat box. It is just so cute, so easy to put together. I mean, within 2 or 3 minutes, you'll have the treat cut out and put together, and then just put a little tag on top. It's perfect for Halloween treats for the kiddos at school. Just perfect. And I did add that little bear on there and stuck it down with that tag and October 31st on there. Just really, really cute. So that's what I made for you today. Let's see if we can get the recap of the items in here from yesterday. I know it's very hard to kind of see that banner die. I was trying to show you yesterday, but it turned out really cute, and I'm sorry I didn't have the best pictures of that. It's kind of hard to take the pictures, but I tried my best. But hopefully that's enough inspiration for you to want to go out and pick up you some of these goodies. They're really cute. And that's all I have for you. Make sure you check out the ladies' links down below. Don't forget to leave a comment on everyone's channels as well as over on Instagram so that you can win a gift certificate for the next following month, if I'm not mistaken. So make sure you check out Emma's YouTube channel for sure. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.